video, I'm going to talk about how to solve problem using quadratic model by one example. The goal is to solve problem that can be modeled by quadratic relation using variety tools and strategies. So let's get started. So these are questions. Alexander was practicing his 10-meter platform dive. Because of gravity, the relation between his height, h in meters, and the time t in the seconds after he dived is quadratic. After Alexander reached a maximum height of 11.225 meter after 0.5 seconds, how long was he above the water after he dived? So what information given? So 10-meter platform, that's his start position. So here, actually, 10 is the y-intercept, x equals 0. We know 1 point on the parabola. And Alexander reached maximum height 11.225 meter after 0.5 seconds, which means 11.225, that's the maximum. This 0.5 is x coordinates vertex. This is a vertex. We know 2 points and on the parabola, so this is vertex. So we use the 2 points to determine the vertex mode, right? So this mode in vertex. Okay, let's do it. So color pen. Okay, so do you remember the vertex form? Yes. Y equals and ax minus h squared plus k. Yeah, that's the vertex form. Okay, so this vertex 0.5, let's write down here. 0.5, 11, 2 to 5. That's the vertex. And then we know y-intercept 10, right? Okay. So we substitute the vertex into this vertex form. So y equals a, we don't know, x minus 0.5 square plus 11.225. Okay, so we substitute this point, right? X equals 0, y equals 10. So 10 equals x equals 0, right? 0.5 square plus 11.225. So we can move 11.225 to the left, so it turns the sign. 10 minus 11.225 equals a. This is 0.5 square should be 0.25, right? Okay, so this is 1 negative, right? Negative 1.225, and this 1.225, and it's a times 0.25. Both sides divide by 0.25, 0.25. So a equals negative 4.9. Okay, so now we know the relation between h and t is quadratic, and also we know how to it's a vertex form, right? So it's h equals and negative 4.9 and t minus 0.5 square plus 11.225. Okay, that's exactly quadratic relation we want in vertex form. Okay, so how long was he above the water after he dove? Means how long going to take for Alexander to touch the water? One, Alexander hit the water, so h should equal 0, right? Let h equals 0, right? H equals 0. So 0 should be equal negative 4.9 and t minus 0.5 square plus 11.225, right? So we separate. Okay, so we move this term to the left. So 4.9 t minus 0.5 square equals 11.225. Okay, both sides divide by 4.9. 4.9. So left side t minus 0.5 square equals, so 11.225 divided by 2 to 9, 4.9 equals 2.291. Already calculated. And then we take square root both sides. T minus 0.5 equals positive negative 2.291. T minus 0.5 equals take square root 2.291 equals 1.514. Sorry. So this is positive negative, right? Positive negative. Okay. T equals 0.5 plus minus 1.514. So we take plus and negative, and when t equals 2.01, another t equals negative 0.1. Okay, we get two solutions, but t equals negative 1.01 doesn't make sense, right? So it's because time cannot be negative. So we take t equals 2.01. So how long was he above the water after he dove? Yeah, 2.01 seconds. Okay, that's it. So we have a couple of two questions here. If you're interested and if you want, you can do these two questions. So the answer is here. So that's it. Thank you for watching.